Welcome to this piano lesson on time signatures and lesson 14. Time signatures and meter mean the same thing. They are just groups of beats. In other words, we have a 4/4 measure is just 4 beats per measure in that group, and it's a way that we can organize music so that we can easily play the songs so we can count. And let's go to lesson 13, which contains 3 examples of time signatures. The first one is in 2/4, and 2/4 is like a march beat. So if you count 1, 2, 1, 2, that's going to be a 2/4 meter or 2/4 time signature. And I'll demonstrate by clapping exercise or example 1 on lesson 13. It will be like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now 3/4 time is like a waltz, that old-fashioned style of dance. And in this time signature, we're going to count 3 beats for every measure. So it will sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And let's look at example 2 on lesson 13 and clap this one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The third example and final example is 4/4 time. This is also called common time because it's the most common time signature or meter. And in this time signature, we'll have 4 beats per measure, and it will sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and try example 3. In this case, we'll clap on the first beat of every measure. Here goes: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's look at lesson 14. This is in the left hand, and we have 3 songs here: Waltz in A minor, Falling Leaves, and A Memory. And for each of these songs, we're in 3/4 time. That's to say there are 3 beats in each measure. So if you find the position, it's going to be middle C with the thumb, B with the second finger, and A with the third finger in the left hand. And in the book, the numbers you see above the letters are for the beats. They're not for the finger numbers. That's a very important distinction here. And all the while we play this, let's try counting out loud: 1, 2, 3. And it will sound something like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's waltz in A minor. Falling Leaves sounds like this. It's going to also be in 3/4 time signature, so 3 beats per measure. And once again, just to repeat myself here, the numbers above the letters are for the beats. They're not for the finger numbers. Here we go: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then the final piece, A Memory, is also in 3/4. It's with the left hand, and we'll count 3 beats per measure. Here goes: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.